Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how to use the Grasshopper website. Basically, it's a coding website where you can make stuff out of codes. In the beginning, it seemed sort of boring to me and something that I was forced to do, but at the end of the day, when you get to explore more of its functions and the website itself, it's pretty interesting. Before I start and show you how to use this website, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload, and smash that like button as it really helps. Let's begin. First, you go to the search bar and search Grasshopper website. Over here, you'll see this link, Grasshopper Learn to Code for Free. You click on it. This should be your screen if you've never used this website before. You'll click Start Coding Today. Now, over here, it will ask you for your Gmail account, and if you've already used it, it will let you know whether you want to start from the beginning or hop back in. So I will be clicking Hop Back In. This is the main screen of the website where all the magic happens, the codes and the everything. If you want to see your progress, you go to Project. I've already done many as I've been using this app for now a week, but I'm going to start with the French flag. Over here you see the instructions, and over here will be what you're making, the French flag. Got it. This is your coding box where you enter all your codes. Got it? And these are the keys that you can use for your input. Got it. And over here in this top right corner, you can see an example solution. This is what your end result should look like. And over here, this is how your final product will look like. So as you can see, I've already done this, so all my functions are here. But I'm going to start again by erasing this all. If you don't want to do that, you can click this key to reset. Now, as you can see, this is a thing that they already give us, so we have an understanding of what to do. The Drawbox is basically one box. This one box is a Drawbox. And in front of this, the input argument is the color that box will be. So blue box. Now, similar to the first code, we have two more, Drawbox white and red. Blue, white, and red. Blue, white, and red. And now we have a new line because we're going to go on to the next line. So simply, we're going to go here and click the Drawbox key, and the input argument to this Drawbox key will be blue. Similar to this, we will complete the same pattern used up here after the new line. So Drawbox, and then we have white, Drawbox, and we have red. Now we've got our first line, which is these top three codes. We move on to a new line. We've got our next line, which is the top three codes. After you think that this is the final codes that you will be needing, you can simply run code. And over here, you will see that you've created the exact thing that they've asked you to create. You can continue on with your JavaScript program and move on to the next option. Over here, it also is an option to certificates. Once you complete one course, you get a certificate. Now, our next challenge is the Gabonese flag. As you can see, in this puzzle, you'll draw another flag. This time, the flag stripes are horizontal, then vertical. And these are the instructions if you're new to this. Now, last time, we went the first color, second color, and third color. But this time, with our Drawbox, we have the same color again and again. As you can see, this time we're moving horizontally. So 3 draw boxes are green, new line, and now we're on the color yellow. So as you can see from the pattern, it's very easy and simple to understand. Now we're going to be putting a draw box and yellow again. Draw box, yellow. Now as we're done with 3 yellow boxes, we're going to move on to the next line. So for that function, we'll be using the new line code and do the similar thing but with the color blue. 3 times you're going to insert this code. As you can see, 3 draw boxes equals 3 boxes, and the input argument of those 3 boxes is green. So we have one horizontal line full of 3 green boxes. We move on to the next line where we find 3 yellow boxes, and move on to the next line where we find 3 blue draw boxes. I think this should be our final code, so I'm simply going to run code. As you can see, the example solution is exactly like our final product. So we used 2 different functions to create the Gabonese flag. Continue. There's many activities that you can use. Now there's also MCQs, multiple choice questions. From the previous things that you have studied and have understood, you'll answer this question to see your progress. This MCQ question, the question is how many blue, and this part explains the question. How many blue boxes will be drawn from this code? And this is the code box, so of course the code is up here. The draw box means one box, and what color is the input argument? Orange. So this line of code means draw box orange. Then we have a similar code but with a different color, draw box blue. Now the orange here, there won't be an orange box as there is no draw box. Only with a draw box will the box appear. The color orange, nothing will change. Then we move on to the new line. This time the draw box orange will actually create an orange draw box. And blue, as we told you earlier, like orange, no box will appear in the color blue as the function draw box isn't there. So according to my calculations, if I'm correct, there will only be one blue box. Correct. There is only one draw box blue in this code, so only one blue box gets drawn. Some people might get confused that there is this blue here as well, but as it says here, there wasn't the drawbox function. Continue. Similar to this, there's many activities. Do you want to receive helpful emails to keep you on track? You can, but I'm gonna save that question for later. Now, we did the Gabonese flag earlier, and as you can see, it took a lot of codes to write. So, similarly, we can go to the Gabonese flag helper, also known as the shortcut. This time, we won't have to create 9 codes. We can simply make 3 codes into one by writing the color's initial 3 times. Similar to this, we have 3 G's for 3 green boxes, new line, 3 Y's for 3 yellow boxes, and I can go on to the next line, Drawbox, and over here this is a string key. It may be new for you as it hasn't appeared in our other activities. String key is basically the function where you can write in your code yourself instead of picking the color from here. So you upload the string, and over here you can use your computer or iPad's keyboard to type in. As our next color is blue, I will add blue's initials 3 times, BBB. Now you can see we have GGG, new line, YYY, new line, BBB. This is our example solution, and according to my code, we should get the same thing. I'll run code, and kabam! We've got the same answer. you use the Drawbox's function to draw the Gabonese flag with only 5 lines of codes. Continue. Now I can do the other activities next time if you would like me to. But for now, I think this is going to be it. If you want to see all these other activities that I've done here, comment down below and let me know if you want a part 2 of this video. As you can see, in beginning I had no interest in this website, but now it's actually pretty fun to do, and even without reference you can do it by looking at the instructions. Gabonese flag shortcuts. Let's just do this last one as it's similar to the other 3 we've done. Over here, last time we used 5 lines, but to make it even easier, we're going to use 1 line, GGG, and as you can see, the space between the 3 G's and the Y is the new line. I'm going to then add Y, GGG space YYY for yellow, and BBB for blue. And if I'm correct, this should make the same thing that we have in the example solution. Yes, I was right. This is a Gabonese flag only using 1 single line with the Drawbox function. Let me know in the comments section if you want to see more videos similar in this Grasshopper website. As you can see, I've done many more exercises like Poland to San Marino, today is the day, which drinks, which word, what's x equal to. And if you want to see these, let me know in the comment section and I will be doing a part 2. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully you understood the basic way of using this website. I didn't go into much detail today as I didn't want it to be too confusing. Thank you all for watching.